this video didn't start in the house. You want to guess why? I was running late. I'm always running late. But we got the Charlotte All BMW meet this morning. We got beers and gears later on today. Right now, just waiting for some of the team to show up so we can show out. So it's 9:30. Had to catch a nap, man. Had a late night. The boys made me burn my brakes out last night. We're not gonna talk about how, but it was a fun night. So I'm still waking up. We're getting the cars clean. Well, they are. I fully revamped my car yesterday, so I'm not touching it. So let's get into some BMW stuff.
That's some serious hardware.
The boys are like, oh my God, that's how they vlog.
Another level. That's some serious work. Right. Yeah, it is.
So, are we gonna do this trunk drag race?
Let's do it.
All right, the first one. Hold up, the first one to open and close it. All right, the trunk drag race. All right, racers, on your marks, get set, go. Close! Oh, he's already going back down! And the 550 wins! The 750 is stuck at the end. Oh, there he goes, there he goes. And we have a loser!
Who's your tuner? Who's your tuner?
You know, my man's over here tuned me, you know.
You need to get your trunk tuned.
I got my tune last night.
You don't want me in this race, man. Look, you don't want me in this race.
Oh, yeah, we do. We want you in this race.
Hold up. Up!
Shit!
Bam! 2.5! 2.5!
Yeah, you can't.
here in Charlotte at Sugar Creek Brewing Company. Everybody tells me, like, this is the meet. This is the one you need to go to. Yeah, it's a little hot, a little excited. I know I look crazy, but the cars out here, dude, the cars out here, it's just crazy. I don't know how to describe it. I don't have to. I got the camera. I'm just gonna show you guys, but this is crazy. Like,
That's what people think.
nuts.
You know what? I ain't gonna lie, before I do all the first years.
So I'm gonna shut up though. Time to let the cars do the talking. Let the burbles do the talking. Let's get it.